Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chalk and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family. We continue modal verbs now. We do that. Actually, last video I started modal verbs like all these are modal verbs can, could, may, might, should, would, must, will, shall, used to, ought to, need to. Okay, and modal verbs actually used always used only in single form, irrespective of the subject, whatever may be the subject, they are used in a single form only, no ing forms, no ed, no s forms, and after the modal verb always we have to use only base form, no past tense and no past participle, isn't it? And always I showed you the structure also, subject plus modal verb plus main verb and any other words. Okay, and today we do negatives. How do we form negatives in case of modal verbs? You need not take the help of any auxiliary verbs. These are only auxiliary verbs and you need not take anybody's help, not required. There in have, isn't it? We have taken the help of do forms, isn't it? Have as main verb means I do not have pen, I do not have pets. Like that, we have taken the help of do, did, and does, isn't it? But here it's not required. Here the position is means where you have to place not is between modal verb and main verb, in between the two you have to use not. Okay, just the structure is same, subject, modal verb and main verb. So in between the modal verb and main verb, if you write not, it becomes negative sentence. Okay, he might not come to the party. She may not attend the meeting. You should not be late. Be form as main thing. So you should not be late. So in such cases, where what is the position of not? It is between modal verb and main verb. You should use not. He may attend not. That's wrong. He may attend not. After main verb, you should not use. It is the position is in between the modal verb and main verb only. Now you should not use either before modal verb or after main verb. Okay, it should be between the two. If you write before, she not may attend the meeting, wrong. Or he might come not to the party, that is also wrong. So always the position is between modal verb and main verb, the position you should see. Then next, questions. Questions we use uh, the modal verbs. First I show WH questions. Whenever you, wherever you write questions, always there is an inversion of subject and verb. That is the first thing you have to follow. Okay, where can we meet? See, the subject is placed between, here the subject is first, but here now the first position, the question word takes the first place. Where? Then immediately the modal verb, then next subject, then main verb. This is the structure for questions. Okay, first WH question word, then our modal verb MOV, then subject. See, always the inversion of the subject. There we can solve the problem. Now here it is, can we solve the problem? Okay, so where can we meet? After that, main verb we have to use. Where can we meet? How should we begin? Why couldn't you do it well? Why couldn't you do it well, the interview or anything? Why couldn't you do it? Why couldn't you attempt all the questions? Why can't you come to my house? Why can't you come to my house? Okay, how can you solve this problem? Like that, but the structure is same. Whatever questions you frame, the structure is the same. First to begin, WH question word, then modal verb, then subject, then main verb, after that ending question mark. Now we see yes no questions also in the same questions, yes no type. Okay, So even yes no questions also, when you ask yes no questions also, we can use these modal verbs, especially in the classrooms. The students ask, may I get in, ma'am? May I get in, teacher? May I have water? Like that, to take permission from the teacher. May I go out? Like that, the students ask permission from the teacher whenever they want to ask. They use this may, isn't it? May I help you? Even many places we see this may I help you board, isn't it? That board sitting like one counter with this board, may I help you? So there you can ask for any help. So such things we come across now normally. Can you help me? So the beginning itself with the auxiliary, that is the thing, yes no question, isn't it? The beginning itself, the auxiliary verb, then subject, then main verb. First auxiliary verb, here it is modal verb, then subject, then main verb. So whatever you write, the same structure. Would you prefer tea or coffee? Would you prefer tea or coffee? Could you repeat it? Could you say it again? Could you repeat it? Shall I close the door? Shall I close the door? Should we go by taxi? Okay. Shall I come to your house? Should we go there for shopping? Should we go there to do something? So we have to frame as no questions. In this way, the structure is first begin the question with the modal verb, then subject, then main verb, then any other words you can write. Okay. So next videos we do one by one, like can, could, may, might, all that in detail. What are the, when do we use, in which situations we use those modal verbs, we do one by one in detail. This is the basic introduction, and we do in detail one by one each of these modal verbs in coming videos. Thank you for watching my video.